Alright, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to Review It All. In my last video I talked about the 22-inch Blackstone on-the-go griddle and a table that it was sitting on. So now we're going to talk about the actual table and why I purchased it, okay? So this is not a Blackstone brand table. This was a third party, or whatever you want to call it, aftermarket table that I found on Amazon. And there's a reason why I bought it. So let's get into it. So here's a quick look at the table itself. It is fairly sturdy. It's not extremely sturdy, and it's not very tall. In a minute I'll just go get a tape measure and show you guys. But I knew that I didn't want anything tall because the griddle was going to stand about 8 or 9 inches, about as tall as my hand, or a little bit longer, and sit a little bit higher. So I didn't want to get anything that was going to be too tall or too short. And I think this is just the right height because I didn't want my back to hurt. So as you can see right away, you have a nice carrying handle that's spring loaded. So if you want to go store it, it's going to sit flush. And right over here you got a cool bottle opener. And to collapse the table, all you do is pull this knob and this knob back, and then the table will collapse. This is a tray to help keep it sturdy, and then you just basically unlock it right here on both sides, and then it'll come out easily. Then you just fold the table up, and then you can see the rolling wheels it has, and then it has the caster wheels where you can lock it in place, which helps out a lot. And then some of the cool features of this table is a paper towel roll holder, and then you got a condiment box. Alright, so this is a separate purchase as well. I'll go over that, but the condiment box, you can fold this up right here. You fold that part up, fold this side in, and the condiment box will sit almost flush, so you can transport it easily. And then this whole thing will collapse into this size right here. So this size, this thickness and length. And then over here you get a nice handle, carrying handle, or to roll it. And then you get some tool hanging hooks, which I haven't used yet. And then another feature, if you when you're working out on the grill and you need to stow your tools, then you don't want to put it up here, get it dirty. This is a magnet right here. I thought that was a really cool feature. I will say you don't get a lot of working space right here, but that was okay with me because I do get the condiment tray right here, the condiment box, able to put my stuff in, so I can put my beer or my glass of wine right there. Alright, so here's a look at it without the griddle on, and you're sitting at about 28 and a half inches. And you can see you get a very good working space if you don't have the griddle on. So if you have another grill and you want to take the griddle off, here you go, this is what it looks like. But very versatile, very light and mobile, which I absolutely love. Alright, let me go ahead and break it down for you guys so you can see what it looks like. Go ahead and collapse the condiment box. Then the toilet paper roll does come off, and you just stow that to the side, and then you can stow it underneath here if you want. Let me go ahead and set the camera up so I can show you guys how to collapse this thing. Alright, now I'm going to fold it up so you guys can see what it looks like when it's folded up. Alright, so I already unhooked that. I'm doing this in my grass. The grass is dead. It's winter time. Get over it. Don't judge me. Lay it on its side. Alright, so when it's on its side, simply just pull up on the knob. Make sure your caster wheels are flush with the top of it. Then you're going to lay your tray right inside there. Pull this knob. Then you're gonna lock it in place right here. And that's it. Alright, so let's talk about why I got the table instead of just buying the griddle that comes with the folding table. A couple of reasons, actually 3. So one was that I wanted to be able to take the griddle off and then stow it in my truck if we go camping and just use a table at a campsite or something like that. 2, I can take the griddle off again and use it with my other grill to have more of a working space. And 3, it had that condiment thing. Actually, there's 4 items. It has that condiment box, which I thought was really cool, and the magnetic strip on it. And the 4th one was that I read a lot of reviews on the griddle with the actual legs that fold down. A lot of people said it was very wobbly. This one is not wobbly. It has a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's not a lot. It's not enough to where it's gonna mess up your food or anything like that. The only thing I don't like is that you can't level it out. You might be able to raise up the caster wheels just a little bit, but you just have to find level land to do your grilling on. So that was the reason why I wanted this. I just feel like it's more versatile to have one big table rather than to have one small table that comes with the griddle itself. I know it's convenient to have that, but those are the reasons why I wanted to buy this table. So again, link in the description down below as always with everything. Next video I'm gonna go over the grilling kit that I purchased for my griddle. So if you guys want to learn about that, that's another item that I bought that just helped me out tremendously with this griddle. So that's my setup. That'll be my complete setup. And then yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, follow, subscribe, do all the cool things, and we'll see you guys next week.